Hey, now check this out. We have a 1974 Camaro put out by the Chevy company. And it's got a major engine in it.
That's pretty awesome.
A huge one.
I never had one.
Talk about leaving you in the dust. Even got the roll bars and the straps. That tells you right there. She goes fast. Always be respectful of even people because they're talking. Hurts nothing. Plus you get to see a little bit more of the car. I'm gonna end this episode right here. Because that's all you would see is nothing but taillights with this. Until next episode, this is Willis signing off.